Hi guys, welcome to Asian Redneck Antioxidant Farm. These are my chickens. You can see the big rooster is called Ayam Samani. It's a black chicken from the inside out. Lungs are black, kidneys are black, heart is black, everything is black. Okay, so that's called Ayam Samani. And these are bantams, little chickens, and you can see white, and there's also a baby Ayam Samani, and that's a Orpington. This is a Sexling, and what you notice is that they all get along. It doesn't matter if you're a black chicken or white chicken, right? Black chicken lives matter, um, and brown chicken lives matter, okay, and white chicken lives matter. So all their lives matter, and they live happily, and they get along well, and they like the grass. They hang out socially, and they like to lay eggs, and I like to collect the eggs. So these are good chickens. So we should learn from these chickens that they live together peacefully. And so black chicken lives matter, white chicken lives matter, and brown and yellow chicken lives matter. Okay? So if you like it, subscribe and keep the peace. And now I let you watch my chickens without me talking.